Out of more than 80 certificates of canvass or COCs transmitted today to the Commission on Elections or COMELEC server, the National Board of Canvassers has already tallied the votes from 30 COCs for both senatorial and party-list races as part of the ongoing official count. PTV correspondent Luisa Erispe has the details.
The Commission on Elections or COMELEC is expected to release their partial and official vote count by tomorrow morning. This will be the canvass votes by the National Board of Canvassers.
Ito na po yung parang pamantayan natin at patakaran natin everyday na meron tayong nilalabas kinabukasan ng running tally ng lahat po na nakanvas ng mga boto.
COMELEC explained this is a crucial part of the canvassing because this will be tallied manually and not digitally. For the purpose of transparency, COMELEC will also release the list and copies of the certificates of canvass they have opened and counted.
Yun naman talaga, wala naman pong obligasyon ng COMELEC sa batas natin na mag-release ng partial and official. Ang lagi pong release po namin ay full, complete, and official results. Pero dahil nga po ina-enhance natin yung transparency natin at para makita rin po natin mga kababayan, ano na ba yung resulta ng ginagawa natin sa araw-araw, ay naglalabas po kami ng partial official results.
Canvassing is expected to be finished this week because the poll body aims to proclaim winners for senators and party list organizations by Saturday or Sunday. But the poll body vowed before they proclaim winners, 100% of the votes will be canvassed.
Sa tulong at awa ng Diyos, baka itong Sabado hanggang Linggo, sana makapagproklama na tayo ng senador. Kasi ang bilis naman eh. Kita niyo po, 98.9% na nga eh. Yung ating punaan dyan, kapiraso na lang yung kulang. Pero siyempre kailangan ang COMELEC 100% ang canvas. Wala dapat isa man na COC ang maiiwan sa pag nagka-canvas ang COMELEC.
For today, the National Board of Canvassers succeeded in canvassing 30 certificates out of 175 overall count. The COCs are from the local absentee voting, overseas absentee voting, provinces, and highly urbanized cities. Meanwhile, COMELEC assured there are no anomalies or actual votes deducted from the alleged discrepancy from the transparency server at around 2 a.m. earlier today. The poll body explained those releasing partial and unofficial tally of votes need to adjust their vote count because they are presents the transmitted election results twice.
Wala pong dagdag bawas, wala pong shading, wala po. It's just a matter of nag-correct sila. Kung sino man yung nag-correct, kinakailangan mag-adjust at mag-correct dahil nga po sa nadoble yung mga boto dahil pinaprocess. Pag po pala pinaprocess, meron sila dyan sa IT. Pag pinaprocess, nagaganon. Kaya kinakailangan meron kang program para lang linisin at hindi madoble.
Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.